Using Uber Timer is easy. To add a timer to your presentations, go to Insert menu and then Store. From there, you will be able to download the timer and be able to insert it into your presentation. The timer can be used both in edit and presentation mode. Uber Timer has these functionalities, a choice to use it in either presentation or edit mode. Uber Timer allows you to customize the settings to adapt to your presentation. Uber Timer has lots of custom settings, making it easier to maintain the presentation's design and look and feel. Uber Timer allows you to set or adjust the size of the timer in varied sizes or full screen. Uber Timer is adjustable to various screen sizes accordingly. An Adjust the Screen message will pop if a size larger than X large is selected. This is to ensure that the timer is visible. Uber Timer gives you the choice to count down or count up. When the count up slider is set to on, the timer counts up. You can launch the timer in edit mode. Ordinarily, the timer is set up in edit mode and then run in presentation mode. However, the user can choose to run the timer in edit mode. Choose the custom settings and then select Launch Automatically slider. This will launch the timer in edit mode. Adjust the timer window to fit within your presentation. This will ensure that your content is not obscured by the timer. When you are done, click inside Uber Timer to start the count up or count down in edit. The timer also gives you the choice to double-click on timer window in edit mode to launch the timer without having to slide the Launch Automatically slider. This is helpful when you just want to relaunch the timer with preset settings. However, if you are using PowerPoint 2013 client on Windows 7, to start the timer in presentation mode, you will have to click twice to start the timer count up or down. Note, 2 consecutive clicks, and not a double click. The timer gives you the choice to use an alert sound at designated times. You can pause and restart timer during the presentation. To start the timer, the user has to click on Uber Timer. Another click while the timer is running will pause the timer. To restart the timer, the user has to click inside Uber Timer. This will restart the timer, and the timer will resume counting from where it stopped. You can set the timer to span across several slides. When Span Slide slider is set to on, and the Start slide is set to yes, the span timer will start at the designated slide and will run continuously, without having to reset the timer for the subsequent slides, until it reaches a slide in which the span slider is not set to on. As in other slides, the user has to click on Uber Timer to start count up or count down. Uber Timer is easily customizable and very easy to use. You can download the timer from Microsoft Office Add-ins Store. Visit our support page at www.ubecomsolutions.co.uk/timer_support. Thanks for choosing Uber Timer.